Good morning. Hello, everyone. This is Kim Cook, owner and CEO of All Living Things LLC, and we're here with another edition of Gardening 101 with Kim. And today we're going to add to this herb garden that we did and come to the other side and plant this herb garden. So, if you remember, a couple of months ago, I did a live, and maybe a month ago, I planted some sweet mint, some purple basil, and some pineapple sage. So I have harvested a little off of these. I had to cut the sage down. It was getting a little too much water. So I'm going to have to adjust my watering for the sage. But the purple basil did amazing. Amazing. I'll post some pictures of what it was. But I got some clippings off the sage, the basil, and the sweet mint. I'm letting them dry right now, so I'm going to have some good seasonings and some great teas for me. So healing my body and flavoring my food is what the purpose is. Also, from my container garden, I harvested some cucumber, and my squash are growing. So very happy about that. It's all a process with gardening. It's all a process. It takes patience and love, care, and of course, most of all, time. And nature. We don't do this. The Creator allows us to be able to cultivate, hence the shirt, cultivate the earth. Shout out Onda Farm. You can look them up. It's a black-owned farm in the city of Atlanta, on ONDA Farm. So check them out. You can go get collard greens, herbs, pick fresh, and you can take them home, cook them, and it's a great thing. But we're going to get started with the herb garden. I went ahead and set the soil in, and this is a great soil. This is a great soil. It's a raised bed soil. It's a Kellogg organic raised bed. So I'm loving this. You can see all of the organic matter in that soil. So we're going to plant some herbs in this. So I wanted to go ahead and get that taken care of, get that soil set in there so we can get the planting, and you can see the finished product from start to finish. So what we're planting today, we're going to do some fern leaf dill. And what that's going to do, other than the seasoning dill that's delicious on chips and with a pickle, also some curled parsley, chop up some parsley, and some cilantro. I'm very excited about the cilantro. You can just smell it. You can just, it smells so great. So I'm gonna place my herbs where I need them to be. So the reason I got that dill mainly is for its protective properties. It attracts the good bugs that can help your plants grow, and it also repels bugs that will harm your plant. So I'm gonna get set up right here. I'm gonna plant everything in. How's everybody doing on this Monday? So this dill, it's a little overgrown. But it has new growth, so I'm happy about that. But I'll just be cutting from this sooner than later. So I'm gonna make my hole, and I still have my care instructions here. So it needs full sun, at least 6 hours. And also It needs to be planted container deep, and it's going to grow 18 to 24 inches. So that's good information. So I'm going to make a hole big enough for this the size of this container, and plant my dill. I'm going to grab it out. It came out easy, and we got that root system right there. That root system looking great right there, but we're going to just nudge it a little bit. And again, what that does is letting the plant grow. No, you have now space to grow and acclimate yourself to the environment. Hey, Steph. Peace, love. Get this dill planted down in here. Next we have our curled parsley. Parsley, is a good garnish. Good garnish, and adds to any meal. Any meal. So here's what curled parsley looks like. And we're going to plant this in. This root system is a little overgrown. Hello, hummingbird. I didn't catch it, but it was a hummingbird on my basil. But look at this. This is a little overgrown too, because the roots just get trapped. They get trapped and they don't have anywhere to go. So I'm going to make my hole again, container deep. Nudge those roots. And plant it in. Pack it in there good. We're looking good so far. Put our tag right there. And next we have our cilantro. Like I said, I'm super excited about this cilantro right here. Thank you, Steph. So I'm gonna take the just the yellow looking leaves that are dying. Just take them off. They just suck energy from the rest of the plant, and that energy can be going to the rest of it while it's still flourishing and thriving. But I love cilantro. I do. I do. All right, last one in. These roots too. That's why they look a little yellow. Look at that root system. But they got a new home now. They it home. It's looking great. Looking great. Little herb garden. Got some new fresh herbs to grow. So we have our regrowing sage, pineapple sage, purple basil and sweet mint, and now we have our fern leaf dill, curl parsley, and cilantro. So this is what it looks like in the soil. The dill, parsley, and our cilantro. And now I'm going to get my top dressing on. What's happening, cuzzo? I did this again. Bear with me. I have to get a knife. I did it again. Hello, hello. I had to go get some scissors so I could open up my soil cover, because I never like to leave the arrangement just sitting out with just soil. It just doesn't look good. So to add to the aesthetic and to keep the moisture sealed in from the top of the container, I use this soil covers. Just some nice little colored decorated pebbles that just look nice. And we want everything to look uniform. So I learned my lesson last time. I had to go back to the store and get another bag. So this time I got 3 bags. Proactive. Proactive, not reactive. So I'm learning. Because I hate an unfinished project. So great. So Stephanie, my nutritionist, says dill is a great source of fiber and cilantro lowers blood sugar. So boom, we taking care of everything. Thanks, Steph, for the info. Check out Fresh and Flawless. Steph, post your info. Post your Instagram, post your Facebook, where people can find you, your services. I'm just filling in little holes. Yeah, bear with me. I get a little zoned out when I'm planning. But I hope everyone's doing great. Hope you had a good weekend. Staying corona free. Corona free. Racist free. You know, you guys just be free of everything. Karen free. Can free. You just gotta be free of all the drama going on around here. So I get out and do my little gardening thing. And that just, it frees my mind. It gives me a little peace in the midst of this craziness. In the midst of this craziness. Because you know, it shouldn't be like this, because if things such as just the food that we eat can survive through anything, and it's just a natural flow for them. They do what they're supposed to do. You know, if we as humans just do what we're supposed to do, what we were made for, things would go a lot smoother. And hating anything was not one. So that is my little piece for today. And we have our herb garden planted. So happy about that. I want to show you what it looks like. So there's our cilantro right here, our curl parsley, and our fern leaf dill. And we'll be able to pick from this and season on some more food. Great health benefits galore. We got our succulent container right here, soaking up some sun. Our water can. And these items you can find on my website at www.alllivingthings.co. Again, that's www.alllivingthings.co. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at All Living Things LLC. All Living Things LLC. Get those orders in. Container gardens for your fruits and vegetables are available. Succulent arrangements. Any gift that you're looking to give, a succulent arrangement would be a great one, great choice. It's easy to maintain live decor for anyone's home, office space. I also do indoor plant installation and design. If you always wanted green life in your home, like an indoor jungle, you know, I can definitely set that up for you. If you want any kind of plant life in your home, you know, just hit me up. So that is Kim Cook with the Herb Garden. Excuse me, I'm sweating, it's hot. And that has been Gardening 101 with Kim. Thanks my wellness friends and I for allowing me to be on your live today. And peace be with you.